Here's a giant flood we got. It's Thursday morning. We probably had 8 to 10 inches of rain overnight. This is the result. Look at these whirlpools here. There's one whirlpool. This is, the river is right down here. This is the original river. It's between these two whirlpools. Look at it now. That beach ball. Somebody threw a beach ball in there. Show me that pop jug. Show me the pop jug, you baby. You afraid to get a drop of water on you? Down she goes. Bye. Danny, let's see if it comes out. Oh, it stinks out here. It stinks like slough. Oh, it popped back up. It's still right there. This is just one area that's bad. We had other areas that are bad too.